Hey guys, so last minute decision. I'm gonna go do a car camp out tonight, and I did something. I actually took my old, I don't even know what year it is. I want to say 1946. We'll have to look when we get out to camp, find a place to camp out. But my old military tent, brought that along, and we're gonna use that for a camp out tonight. I got to get it to a seamstress. We do have some issues, and I'll show you that, guys. I'll show you that later when we get it set up. And one of my cousins has given me a number to get a hold of to get this fixed, so I'm going to deal with that this winter. But this will be a first time camping out with this, and I chose to take it along because we are not supposed to get weather tonight, which is another thing. I usually like to try to get out when it's going to be icky. But it is sticky, so we don't have rain and terrible weather. We have humidity and sticky. So, all right, we'll talk to you guys after a while. All right, guys. So, yeah, I am having a really late go of this here. So with this last minute decision to go camping, it is now 20 after 6 in the evening. I got to go find a campground that has a spot open. It shouldn't be too hard though, because school's back in session and it is a school night, so I'm pretty much thinking I'll be by myself. But anyways, I had to stop and decide on what to get from the grocery store, grab a couple of beers, a couple adult beverages, and yeah, now we are on our way to find a place to camp out tonight. We'll check out a couple local campgrounds. We're going to go to one I haven't been to in many, many years. See if there's a spot there. If not, then I'm going to go to one we tried to camp out one other time, and it was way too busy and noisy. Yeah, so let's just see what happens here. Alright guys, I'll get back to you. Hey there guys, so I think we found the spot. I was hoping, it's late in the season, I was hoping to get a spot along the lake. I mean, there is one campground spot open, but they are super open and super tight. And this one you can see through the woods there, right there. There's a campground spot. And then there's a pretty set thick woods here. There's a campground spot there. And then, I don't know if you can see across the road there, over the top of cars, a campground spot over there too. So yeah, I think we found our spot. I'll go get my registration paperwork, get this paid for, and yeah, go from there. Okay, so sorry about that. So we got the old World War II tent here. It's a army tent. It's two halves. Each half is a rain poncho for a soldier. So it takes two soldiers to put this together as one pup tent. But let me get out of here. Might take me a bit. It's been a while since I've actually only put it up one time practicing and see how it was set up. So yeah, let's see how this goes. So if I remember right, you take your pole, this is the pole itself, kind of flippy floppy, but this is it. So take this, if I remember right, you put it through and you fold it over. Now we do that on both sides. Alright guys, I found some cord. And I may be wrong. It might be, never mind. It's in here. Huh, it's in here. Holy crap, I thought I forgot the cord, but it's in here. Okay. I thought I forgot cord, but it's in the tent. It's still here. Thank goodness. All right, we're gonna get this back side done here, or the other side. Oh, let me tell you, it doesn't matter, big or small, it takes effort to set up a ball. I don't know if you guys can tell how sweaty I am. It's freaking humid out. Holy cow. Am I sweating? I'm going to have to dip in the lake. I was hoping not to have to do that, but anyways, let me show you what we got here. Okay. It is set up. You can see the U.S. Army stamp on there. There's another one right there. So then each side is a rain poncho for a soldier. And then you can see how it buttons up top to come together. I cannot remember what year this is. It was either 1943 or a 1946. So it's old. It's got these old wooden poles. And what I got here is I got a ground cloth, I got a foam pad, and then I got a small self-inflating air mattress for the inside, and then I'll have a sleep bag in there later as well. But so that is the setup for tonight. Going way, way old school. Hey there guys, how you doing? So I went and took a dip in the water, had to cool down a little bit, and yeah, I feel a lot better. Got my clothes hanging because I got really wet, really sticky, and had to hang stuff up. I did not bring a change of clothes with me. I brought shorts so I could go swimming, and the clothes I had on, I did bring a pair of jeans. I have a pair of shorts on, jean shorts, that I'm wearing when I left the house. But I thought, well, if it cools down, I'll have a pair of jeans to throw on later. But yeah, I should have brought an extra set of undergarments. So they're hanging in the trees, drying out right now. But anyways, yeah, as I said before, if you follow this channel, I'm just a derelict getting out in the woods. And if you want to learn stuff, there are guys and gals out there who are great at sharing really good information and teaching. Sean Kelly, Corporal's Corner, and Luke with the Outdoor Gear Review, the Girl in the Woods, Brooke, I can't think of her last name off the top of my head anyways. Brooke and Dave, oh gosh, I can't think of her last name. Anyways, doesn't matter. There are some really good talented people out there that I watch all the time that I really enjoy. Steve Wallace, and I learn stuff from. But I'm not. I'm just a guy. I'm a truck driver who likes to get out, have some fun, and try not to get in trouble. Now, I'm not going to be in a situation where I'm not going to be able to get out of. You know, like tonight, it's supposed to be warm all night. It's supposed to be a beautiful night. I do have a sweater and jeans, long pair of pants to put on. So I've got some clothing I can wear if it does cool down, and I got my sleeping gear. But anyways, I should have brought a change of undergarments, and I didn't. But yeah, so anyways, if you just enjoy watching a guy get out, maybe get in trouble, maybe not, just a derelict in the woods, I'm your guy. But if you're looking to learn some really awesome skills, there's some talented people on YouTube that can really teach you some stuff. I'm not that guy. I'm just out here having fun. But anyways, for those of you who do follow along, man, I appreciate you. I appreciate you coming out along with me on my adventures and seeing what I'm up to. The channel is growing slowly. I never expected. I just did it for a few friends, and now I think yesterday I hit like 63 subscribers. I'm awestruck. I'm just like, you know, that was never a dream or desire or goal. So to think that there's 63 of you out there that think this guy's all right. I appreciate that. So anyways, all right guys, I'm gonna check in with you a little bit. It's starting to get dark. It's not showing that on a camera, but it's definitely getting to twilight. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for grub. If I'm gonna try to get I did bring my UCO Flatpack grill with me, and I wanted to actually grill on that tonight and have a fire in that tonight. The wind's blowing pretty hard, but I do see other campgrounds do have campsites have fires going, so maybe we'll go for it. Yeah, I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. Yeah, I can see through the woods that way, directly that way. I think there are some dirt bikers over there. Yeah, I can see a fire over there, so I'm assuming we can do fires. So I'm gonna get the Flatpack out, and we'll check in with you guys a little bit. All right, you can see we got the UCO Flatpack That's a large grill. Burning right now. And we'll get some hardwood in there. So we'll let that burn down to some coals, and we'll get going on a little bit of grub here in a little bit. So I'll come back to you guys in a bit. Alright, so we're going to go with the old Hormel, no beans, chili. Here we got some Johnson cheddar brats, or cheddar sausage, or whatever you want to say. So let's get going on some dinner. Okay. This is nothing fancy. This, if I remember right, was just an Ozark Trail frying pan. Not the best. This doesn't lock into place. Kind of wish it would. So you can lift it up, but you don't want to twist it too much because it might flop over. Let's have a beer. So yeah, throw a couple cheddar wursts on here. What we'll do is we'll put this over here in the flame. I definitely got more food than I need, I can tell you that. That's the way it goes sometimes. All right. So besides the UCO full flat grill, this is a UCO fork, knife, spoon set. I'm not sponsored by these guys. Everything I bought on my own. So this is not a paid for deal. Oh yeah, that chili's warming up real fast. What? Oh my. Let's move this over here where there's a little less flame. Ooh-wee. Not turning to be too bad of a camp out for a quick overnighter, last minute decision. We got here, the campground's pretty light. Ooh, that smoke went right in my face. Hey there guys, so anyways, things you forget when you leave home on a quick overnighter. I got smoke blowing in my face. They say never film when the smoke is blowing in front of the camera. I am not a pro, so we'll just give it that. But anyways, Got the Hormel chili. Got ourselves a cheddar wurst. And we got ourselves the favorite. Can you see the olives floating in there? We all know it. Beer with olives. It's just what you have to do. It's my favorite. Literally one of my favorites. So, yep. What a wonderful night. We left home late. Got to the campground late. Had to make a few stops on the way because we forget a few things. And when we get here, we realize we forgot some more things. One of them is a camera mount. Like I got... Oh my. I just heard something big back there. I think that noise we were just hearing a little bit ago was a raccoon. That's what it sounded like to me anyways. So yeah. Do some grilling on UCO Flatpack grill. Now UCO does not sponsor me. I bought the large and the mini at the same time. And I did an unboxing a while ago on them. I think I used this big one once hot tanning last winter. And now I'm using it tonight. I enjoy it. One thing is about this UCO Flatpack grill that I like is I originally had it on the ground and I was going to cook on the ground. And then I decided that I wanted to do it up on the, put up on the table. And there's enough space that like my hand, I'm on touching the picnic table right now underneath the grill. And it's not, the table's not hot at all. So I'm able to put it up there and grill. And what a nice feature. So I really, really like that. Again, not sponsored. It's my grill, my purchase. But I enjoy it. Maybe you will too. So, yeah, just my thoughts on that grill. Use it on grill on the ground. Put it up on the picnic table. Either way, it's usable. And I've not used charcoal. I know people do sometimes, but I just got wood in there and it seems to work okay. So anyways, I'll get back to you guys after a while. Alright guys, well, it's really warm out. I want to be probably over top of the sleeping bag tonight. I forgot a pillow too. So there you go. You go car camping and just completely forget everything. Kind of funny, but yeah, I'm laying in bed now. I'm not sure what time it is. 10:30 I'm thinking. Sitting here watching the fire. Got the fire going in the UCO full flat grill. Tell you what, I love that thing. Again, I'm not paid by him. Wasn't given nothing. I paid for that grill myself. I've got the large and the small. I don't know that I've used a small one yet, but I've used this big one a few times now, and I tell you what, I love that thing. You seen the fire going in it. I got two big logs sitting in it and just burning away outside. So I can lay in here and watch that and relax, probably fall asleep. So, yeah. Sitting here in my old army tent. Look at them old wooden stakes. They're just crazy. This thing is cool. I believe it's a 1943 model. Alright guys, well, I'm going to let you go. I'm just going to lay here and enjoy the fire. If something exciting happens tonight, I'll get back at you. If not, I'll probably see you in the morning for coffee. So, alright guys, we'll talk to you later. I just heard coyotes. I just didn't get the camera going in time. If I hear them again, we'll try. Alright, gang. Time to get some morning coffee on. Alright, last time we did this, we had a little bit of a mess. Let's see if we can light this properly this time. Alright, there she is. Spinning the door on now. Oh, get some coffee going. Alright, so this is a handle. It's also a tool that you can use They got different components on this thing. There we go. Now, we just wait for the coffee to get done. Or I should say the hot water to get done. So we can have some coffee. Anyways, until last night, waiting for this to happen. Oh, what a night. I slept pretty good. Not my best night ever sleep, but pretty good. Woke up a couple times, just had to take care of nature call. And then last night I heard some coyotes. I hope I got it on camera. I tried to turn the camera on, but they were off in a distance, so I don't know if we caught that or not. Hoping I did. There was an owl that woke me up. I did not catch the owl at all. I heard a hoot a few times, and yeah, I just went right back to sleep. I didn't really want to deal with that. I was just tired. And at some point in the night, I heard my name called out. That was kind of weird. Yeah, and that kind of weirded me out a little bit. And then last night when I was sitting by the fire, the running lights on my car turned on for, I don't know, 30 seconds or 40 seconds, maybe a minute. The key fob is inside the car. And at first I thought maybe it was in my pocket and I hit the lock or unlock button or something like that, and that's what made the running lights come on, but the fob is in the car, so I don't know. But anyways, we'll get back to you after a bit here when I get some coffee in my system. Alright. See the steam coming up there? Nice. We're using the old Coleman stove. This is a civilian version. I believe this is a 1946 stove as well, if I remember right. I'm starting to forget my dates on how old these things are. So that's the bottom of the canister, which goes to this. That's the top of the canister. You got these little notches here, and that's where that goes for a handle. So we're having some Folgers coffee. We're having a 2-bag morning going this morning here. Turn that off. See how this works? Nice and easy. We're gonna go big this morning. We're gonna have a big old cup of coffee. Well, we gotta let it brew for a little bit, but there it is. Our big old cup of coffee. Alright guys, so we got again, my UCO knife spoon combo, fork, and then these slide together to make a longer utensil so you can reach inside these bags. So I kind of enjoy that. But I'm going to eat breakfast, guys, and get camp door down, call it a night. This has been a really, really good adventure. Quick decision last night, late in the evening, to come out and get going. And here we are We had a really fun night, but I appreciate you guys coming along, doing these adventures with me, see what kind of shenanigans we can get into. So like and subscribe, share with others. If you're just like a derelict who likes to get out and have some fun, hit that like button. Alright guys, I appreciate you coming along.